Welcome to this Android channel, and this is the Android and Google news, or anything around Android news for Monday, September the 10th, 2018. Today in our news we have Google that will be pushing its digital well-being on Google Assistant soon. You'll be able to set limits and have your Google Home or Google Assistant let you know that maybe you're using your devices a little too much. Maybe you need to take some time off. And of course, this is all in trying to make sure that you don't overuse your devices and that maybe you have time to do other things in life. Some pictures are showing up on the web that seems to point at a possible foldable phone from Samsung. Now we knew that something might be coming next year, but now some new pictures showing up seems to point that maybe this November they would have the first foldable device available. So this is going to be interesting to look at. And could that be a game changer, or is it just a novelty that will wear off with time? We don't know. Many users of non-Google smart speakers that actually use the Google Assistant are not working as well as they are supposed to, apparently. And a lot of users are pointing to Google, saying that the problem is Google that just doesn't want them to work as well as their own assistants like the Google Home or Mini devices. And of course, when asked about if you need help, well, Google just redirects you to the manufacturer of the device. So that's kind of an interesting thing. If it is real, it's kind of a serious issue. The Pixel 3 XL leaks that we've been seeing for the past couple of weeks, there's a few people that have started suggesting that maybe Google has intentionally posted videos that show it, but in reality, it's not at all that. It seems that maybe we were being kind of fooled by these things, and that in reality, when we see the event, Google event on October the 9th, maybe that's not what it's going to look like actually. Is there a conspiracy among Google to do this? It's hard to tell, but maybe it is, maybe it isn't. And if you have a Android phone or tablet, well, very simple. You now have the possibility to actually use your phone app on Windows 10 with your Android phone, and now you can read and send SMS text messages on your device using your PC. So this works right now only for Android devices, but it's a nice little detail. And of course, it also syncs the last 25 pictures if you can have it working, because I haven't been able to have it work on my device. This was the Tech News Update for Android and Google on Monday, September 10th, 2018. You enjoy videos? Please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.